Alrighty, so the project planning will include my drafts for each project, and it will include like what edits I made, and that will tie into the project analysis. So I will add like peer reviews and hopefully some like learning experiences that I had with each project and how I thought this improved my skills in writing, and then content development. This will also include drafts. Hopefully I can have some like visuals, and what I mean by that is just like if I have like a brainstorming map, then I can like put a picture of how I did that and then how it developed into what I created for each project. Organizational design. So that will be including like the balance, alignment, grouping, consistency, contrast. I will describe what I did with each of those aspects for my portfolio and for each project. Written communication. This will be a step-by-step instructions just written out. Instead of it being a video, it will be like pictures along with the written communications. So they will just be very shorthanded. Do this with this certain tool. Visual communication, those are the videos that will be created for the projects. So those will be the links to each video. Reviewing and editing will include my editing process and what I took from each review from, say, the professor, my peers, or the OLA. Content management will include the videos as a whole, so like it'll be a place to find each video, and with the video I could probably add the step-by-step like written communications. Production and delivery, it'll be like what I did to improve each project and the process that I used for each delivery, and then the project 1, project 2, project 3, those will just be like my drafts, and then the final products, and then sitemap just includes just everything just as a list. Anyways, I hope this was informational enough. Thank you for listening.